Hi guys, it's Miss Yua and let's start our English class. Miss Yua, what are we doing today? Well, today we are finally going to work on grade 3 on our English test. And what do you need? Well, you need a pencil, an eraser, and if you have an English dictionary, I'd like to use that too because you'll see some new words and we'll look up the definition for those words. And maybe a notebook. Maybe a notebook. Alright, let's start. Hi guys. It's Miss Yua. Miss Yua, which problem are you using for grade 3? Guys, I forgot to tell you, this is from 2021 and it's the first test on the Aiken website. Aiken website. So mom can probably go to the computer, or dad can go to the computer and find 2021 grade 3 problems, the first one, and print it out for you. Good? Now, maybe you've noticed that's not the first page. You are right. This is the first page. But when we take the test for grade 3, you always start with the writing. Always start with the writing because you actually have to write for the writing. And it takes a longer time and you want to finish it ahead. So let me explain. There's a question and you have to write the answer for that. Your own opinion. You can talk about anything if it's related to the question. You need 2 reasons for that answer. And you have to have more than 25 words. It says to 35 words, but it can be more than this. It can be 40 words, it can be 50 words. The more you write, the better, I think. But it has to be more than 25. So let's start with this. We have our question. Question. Oh, let me change the color. Where? Oh, it's not working. Wait, give me a second. Let me get a better pen. Oh, I do have a better pen. Okay. Question. Where do you like to go shopping? Where do you like to go shopping? Maybe a bookstore? A toy store? Where else do you like to go? I like to go to the bookstore, so I'm gonna write about the bookstore. So on our first sentence, we answered a question. Oh, is this okay? Can you guys see nicely? Why isn't it working? Better. All right. Where do you like to go shopping? And then it says like to go shopping. So I'm gonna use this phrase. I like to go shopping. No, that doesn't make sense. I like to go to a bookstore. That's my first sentence. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Use your eraser. This is exactly why you don't use a pen, Miss Yua. I like to go to a bookstore. I like to go to a bookstore. And I tell them that I have 2 reasons. I have 2 reasons for this. I explained that I will tell ahead that I'm going to talk about my 2 reasons. Then you have first. First, I like to read books. And you can finish the first reason like this. Oh, I forgot the period. Never forget the period. But I will like to talk about the favorite books. My favorite, R-I-T-E, favorite book is, what's my favorite book? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Can you read it? Charlie, how do I spell Charlie? Charlie and the, capital letter because it's the name of the book. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I like to read books. First, I like to read books. My favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And I need a second reason. Second. Why else do I like the books for? The second reason's always tricky. The second, bookstores, if there's an S, you need an R. Bookstores are quiet. I can relax in the bookstore. These are my two reasons. And then last, I finish up my writing. For these two reasons. And then I write the first sentence again. I like to go to the bookstore. To a bookstore. I like to go to a bookstore. All right, let's look at our writing. Oh, my mistake. Question. Where do you like to go shopping? I like to go to a bookstore. I have two reasons for this. First, I like to read books. My favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Second, bookstores are quiet. I can relax in the bookstore. For these two reasons, I like to go to a bookstore. This is my reason. This is my answer. Remember, you have the first answer. You actually answer to this question on the first sentence. And then you always write this. Always write this. I have two reasons for this. Because you always need two reasons. I have two reasons for this. And then you have your first reason. I would write at least two sentences. And then you have your second reason. And same thing. I would at least write two sentences. And then you have the last finishing sentence. It's always the same. For these two reasons, and you just write the same sentence again. The beginning sentence, the first sentence. I like to go to a bookstore. It's the same sentence as this. Ta-da! This is my writing. And if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I have 49 words, which is a lot more than 35 words, but that's okay because they don't cross it out if you have more words. They probably cross it out if you have less than 25, but if you have more words, that's fine. This is my writing. So start with the first answer, write the second sentence. You have your first reason, two sentences, second reason, two sentences, and the last sentence, which is the same sentence as the beginning. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's our writing. After you finish writing, let's go to our first page. Here we go.